Hey fellow explorers, I just got a new travel duffel and I thought in this video I would review it, show you around this Samsonite Pro Duffel bag, show you what I pack in it, tell you what I like about it, and tell you what I don't like about it. This duffel is 21 inches long, 16.5 inches tall, and 13 inches wide. The best thing about this duffel, and the reason why I got it, and I have a bunch of duffels like this, but I got a new one because my other ones have worn out, is because it is designed to stack on top of rolling luggage. So if you have rolling luggage, you can just put this over the handle and then this will travel along with the luggage. I am not the world's lightest packer, and so sometimes I need to pack stuff beyond what is in my carry-on bag, and so that's what I bring the duffel for. This is carry-on size, so you can bring a rollerboard and then you can put this under the seat of some airlines. The other reason for me is I got big shoes. I've got size 14 shoes, and these are usually the things I'm carrying extra shoes that go in this duffel. Okay, now I'm gonna show you around the duffel, the different pockets, and then we'll take a look at what I packed in it for a 2-day trip here to fabulous Ridgecrest, California, where I'm at the Best Western China Lake Inn. So there's 2 ways you can carry it with this shoulder strap, which has a big wide thing. It's quite comfy and it's also detachable. So if you have to check this duffel in, no problem. You just take this off and go ahead and stow it in one of your pockets. Oh, by the way, it's one of the reasons why I like this particular duffel. It's really kind of a rigid duffel and it's a thick material. So if you do have to check it in, you don't have to worry about it getting completely destroyed by the airline baggage handling. The other holder up here on top, it's got 2 handles that then have a Velcro that come together to make it not 2 handles, but to make it 1. And that kind of hides the main pocket that I'm gonna get into in just a moment, but let's go ahead and start with this front pocket first. It is currently empty in mine, but this front pocket is basically like an organizer pocket where it's got this organizer thing that comes with it that I guess you could use for toiletries or you could use for electronics. I'm not sure. I think that's a bit gimmicky, but you can put your like boarding passes or passports or keys like that in this front pocket. Now it's got 2 side pockets on it. And first we'll go ahead and open this side pocket. This side pocket's really interesting. It has a little, it like actually goes in like this. And so if you've got shoes or you've got something dirty that you don't want to put in the main compartment, you can put it in here, but then it's separated by all this material that goes inside, which is neat. Or you can just use it for the 2 inches of a side pocket that it is. And then there's a second side pocket over on this side. What's in this side pocket? Well, that's that strap that I put in there. I got a t-shirt hanging out in here. And it's also got a place where you can charge your cell phone. If you have like a wireless charger, you can put like the wireless charger there and then strap the cell phone in it. I think this is kind of a gimmicky thing more than anything else, but I just use it for a pocket for more stuff. All right, I want to show you what I've got in the main compartment. Only a 2-day trip, so I didn't need to stuff this thing to the gills. All right, so here we go. It's a big wide flap. I like duffels that have a big wide flap rather than a center thing that goes like this. It has a pocket right up here too, so if you have something that you want to keep separate from the rest of your luggage, this is if I'm going someplace cold where I like to put like a raincoat or a light jacket in there. Just a nice part to have it, particularly if you ever need to like open it on the plane and just grab that one thing, you've got it right there. And so now this opens up to just a big compartment. And this is a light duffel. It's 2.8 pounds, less than 3 pounds. I've got my toiletry kit in here. I've got my Eagle Creek packing cube that has socks and underwear. I've got another packing cube that has t-shirts. I've got 1 pair of pants. I've got a second pair of pants. And I've got this Eagle Creek folding doohickey where I've got a couple of dress shirts in there to keep them folded and not have them wrinkled. And then finally, I've got 1 more packing cube that has my pajamas in it. And so, and electric toothbrush. I always travel with a Oral-B electric toothbrush. Anyways, you can see this thing can store a lot of stuff. I really like it. On this trip, because it was 2 days, I just brought this, but if I'm going someplace for like a week, then I'll bring my rollerboard and then I'll stack this on top of it. If I'm going a really long time, then I might check some stuff in because I might have my check-in bag with this on top of it. How much does this thing cost? Retail price of this Samsonite Pro Duffel is $250. Samsonite often runs 20% off specials. You can get it for like $200. I got this one from the Amazon warehouse deals for $150, which I think is about the right price point for this. $250 is really expensive for this duffel bag, but if you can get it for less, then I mean, I think it's a pretty good one. So if you want a good stacking duffel bag that retains a shape, that's not gonna get collapsed, it's also got nice feet on the bottom too, then definitely consider the Samsonite Pro Duffel bag. If you're looking for some rollerboard bags, well, you might want to enjoy checking out my review of some level 8 suitcases here. They have a neat yellow trunk and also a cool carry-on that's become my daily carry-on bag that I stack this on top of. Well, fellow explorers, as usual, I won't say goodbye because I'm going to see you in this video.